Welcome to Abhijeet Codes. So in this video, we're going to see about the structures in C++. So the structures in C++ are user-defined data types which are used to store group of items of similar or non-similar data types. What type of values can they have? They can have data members and member functions. Data members means normal variables, normal variables, and member function means functions. Some function you can say function f, and you can return something, or you can choose to not return something else. Data type int. So let's see one example. So here we have struct point. The struct is a keyword, and the point is the name of this data type. Name of data type means we are creating a data type of our own, and in this data type, here we are using two variables. So first we need to define the structure like this. Next we need to declare it. So this is definition. Here we are declaring it. So it's declaration. And then we are initializing the values in our structure. So we can access the structures using the dot operator. So suppose here p1 is the name of the variable, name of variable. And like any other normal data type, we first need to write the name of the data type. So here we are using struct point. In C++, we can skip this struct keyword and we can simply use point. So we don't need to write struct in C++. In C, it is compulsory to write struct pointer, but in C++, we can leave it and we can simply go with point p1. We can use dot operator to access the variables or assign it. So here we are assigning p1.x to 4 and p1.y to 10. So when we print out what we get out as output, we will get 4 a space at 10. This is what we'll get an output. So let's see another way to initialize our data members. So here declared and initialized in the same line. So first we define a point structure. It has two different data types, integer and name. So the data types can be similar or different as we already know. So I'm using roll number for integer data type and name for string data type. So what we can do is we can write the point p and the values should be matching the order of declaration. So if roll number is initialized first, so it needs to be assigned value first, and then this name should be assigned here. And when we print out, we will get roll number as 21 and name as Suraj. So what happens if we skip some of the values? So suppose we skip this declaration. It means we write point p equals 21. So what happened in this case? So if at least any of the values are initialized, rest of the values will get default value. So what is the default value for string? It is empty space. So the output will be 21 and an empty space in this case. Now suppose we are not defining any values. So suppose we are just doing point p and then we are trying to access p dot roll number and p dot name. So in this case, what happens? In this case, the values are not initialized and hence they will have some garbage value. So we see the structure is nothing but a simple way to define our own data types. And in a way, a structure is very similar to a class. So suppose the structure can also have an initial call function. So suppose we are using struct point, and let's say we are doing int x comma y. Then we can also have a constructor over here which initializes x to 0 and y to 0. So whenever we are doing this, this will be initialized. So that's it for this video, and from the next video we will see how to create a linked list. Thank you.